Hello. This is a presentation on our project named scriptsavvy. We're doing a survey site. So here's the first slide, which shows the name of our team, the team logo, and the members involved. We're group number 6 from the course Comp 229, Web Application Development from section 402. This is our team. Here we have Andre, Henrique Moises Diasis. He's the project manager. We have Alberto. He's the lead software engineer. We have Gregory Wheeler, who is a security programmer. We have Naveen Mirza, who is the database programmer. And we have Tani Peter Duncan, who is a UI programmer. Also, this is me, Samuel Alim. I am the web designer for this project. Now, I'll take you up with the codes. We start with app.js. So in this place, we have a database setup code, which is Mongoose, which connects us to the database. We have this point for the DB URI, which connects us to the Mongoose database. Aside from that, we have a user, server list, and contact list, which all use a routers system. The whole app.js section is basically for different kinds of modules. Then we have the db.js. So this is just to make sure that we can connect properly. Afterwards, we go to controllers and we have index.js. These are for exporting modules, which, take us to the scriptsavvy homepage, the About Us page, the Contact Us page, and survey list pages. Afterwards, we move on to survey.js under controllers. Here we have a survey list displayed and displaying the ad pages, the process ad pages, the module exports for display edit page, process edit page, and so on. We also have survey.js under models, which is, we can see that creating a model class for our survey program. We also have survey.js under routes. And here we can have routes for the survey list page, for displaying the ad page, processing the ad page, displaying the edit page, processing the edit page, and performing a deletion. Afterwards, also in the routes page, we have an index.js, which uses controllers like, index controller, display home page, so we can go to the home page, the about page, contact us page, and so on. In the contact.js, we have a connect to the survey model, and we can also get a route for the survey list page, displaying the ad page, and so on. For add.js, we have a content specifically designed for the ad page, which makes the questions and forms pop off. Even we have buttons for a submission, and so on. On edit.ejs, we have the same thing, but it adds to the contents of the main nav.ejs folder. For list, we have containers for main content, header rows, and the template rows. And I guess that's all for the codes. The next part will be taken over by Tani Peter Duncan, and she will guide you through the website. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tawny, and I'll be presenting the functionality of our group's website, scriptsavvy. So we plan on building a survey site. This is our homepage. As you can see, we use the skills and theories taught through weeks 1 to 6 to build the foundation of our site. We do have plans to populate the site with our own original designs. As you can see, that's here. This is how we plan on laying out our next deliverable website. For now, I'll demonstrate the functionality of what we got going on. When we hit create new survey, it will bring us to a page to enter a new survey. We'll enter in example 2 with the question, how are you? When we hit submit, you see that it will be added underneath a list on the page survey list. On the page survey list, we already have the test and example that was loaded when we were creating the website, and now it has also added example 2. When we hit delete, we will be prompted to ask, are we sure? Going to hit OK now, and as you can see, example 2 has now been permanently deleted from our database. Say we wanted to edit one of the current surveys up, hitting edit, we are prompted to a new page where we're editing the question, change it from how are you to who are you, submit, and the survey has now been updated and added right back underneath the list on the surveys list page. On the About Us page, we still need to populate it with content of our own as well as the contact page. So that is the functionality of our website. My name is Tani Duncan. I hope you have a great night.
Savvy team, we're group 6 and we are making a survey site, and these are the names of our team members with our pictures. And the second release of the web application focuses on authentication and authorization, which are an important part for any web application. They play a security role that ensures that only individuals with proper authorization are granted access to specific sections of the online application. And we have used passport.js as a middleware to authenticate requests and provide access to registered users for the survey accounts and dashboard. And so the opening so the entry point for any new user is the register page, where they will create their account with password and email and username, and use that for login, and as will be demonstrated further down, to show the registration page. And the login part, welcome, no Fedora, log out, and test it again. Let's do here. Welcome, bingo, log out, done.
Hi, my name is Tani Duncan, and I will be presenting the remainder of our slides. For our database design, we created 2 classes, users and surveys, to create objects such as additional user profiles and additional surveys listed on our site. For security, we require users to create an account to add personalization as well as accountability. When you are logged in, you're able to create new surveys, edit existing surveys, and delete outdated surveys. For testing and quality assurance, we continuously tested to see if there was any errors and fix any potential issues throughout the releases of our project. And for each delivery, we ensured that it met quality standard before submitting. In our external documentation, you'll find these terms used throughout it, such as database, which is an organized collection of structured information; interface, what allows the user to interact with the content; nav bar or navigation bar; software, and wireframe, which was the two-dimensional illustration of our website before we hand-coded it. And to refer to what was needed, you can find it on the eShell. And that concludes the presentation. My name is Tani, and I hope you have a great